Here are 5 beautiful script fonts that I think that you should use in your designs, your ads, or whatever you need for 2023, and you can use all of them in Kittl. So let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, the first one I have for you is the Modern Hand Script. We made this one as Heritage Typeco, and we've got it in Kittl for you. And check out these glyphs. You can really elevate your design styles by checking the glyphs panel and seeing what alternate characters you have. And as you can see here, you can see how it plays in with this beautiful monogram style font we have with the B and the traditional standing together like that. The next one I have for you is Sunship, and again with this one we also have some amazing glyphs in here. For example, if I change the P there, we have a beautiful flourish coming off the side, and then the same thing with the N. Look how much variability there is here. You can just get lost in it, and as I change some retro colors going on here, you can really get some beautiful 60s style designs. As I come back over here in Kittl, you can see how easy it is to get this style of design. You can see all of these templates here. This font is extremely popular and been used a lot, so I would definitely recommend using it. The next one I have for you is the Bistro signature font, and without a lack of a better term, it's just really great for signatures. It's great for boutique logos. For example, if I duplicate it here and then I can just type in here, I'll just type something quick like by Kittl Squad, and you can see here that it kind of comes together as a nice little signature style font. But again, also fine for mainline, boutique, and or minimal style logos. Back in Kittl, you can see here it is used a ton. It's used for a lot of both personal brand and for boutique and other things like that. The next one I have for you is the Adventurer font, and this is just one we have in a set of 7 different styles that go together really well. Again, if I open up the glyphs panel, make sure you always check the glyphs panel. There's always amazing things going on in there. I'll type in R, and look, we have some crazy awesome flourishes. And if I go back into Kittl, you can see how it's being used here for a couple of different t-shirt designs, logo designs, silly designs, all kind of outdoor rugged style designs. This is the script that you want. And for the last one here, I have the Mr. D Haviland signature style font, which is going to be great again for signatures and boutique style logos and things like that. So hopefully you enjoy using these script fonts and many others that we have in Kittl. We're constantly uploading new fonts, new assets, new illustrations, and all of those types of things, including new templates using all of these fonts and illustrations and things like that. So I hope you have a ton of fun designing in Kittl. Now, if you want to see other tutorials using Kittl, I have these videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and features and things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.